Hello, I'm Matt Kirouac. I'm the author of Secret, Oklahoma, and I'm thrilled to include Har-Ber Village Museum. I'm going to read an excerpt from the book about the museum, and you can purchase the book online or here at the gift shop with some signed copies. A taste of pioneer past. In the mid-1800s, the eastern region of the state represented a bold new world for pioneers. It's all on display at seasonal Har-Ber Village, where nearly 100 exhibits and buildings make up a sprawling outdoor museum on the shores of Grand Lake of the Cherokees. Dating back to 1968, Har-Ber Village is the vision of Harvey and Bernice Jones, two Arkansas natives who created a portmanteau of their first names for the complex. Once they bought the land as a private lakeside retreat and built a church and cabin, curious passersby began to stop to see why old-timey buildings were starting to emerge in the woods. And you can read the rest by purchasing a copy online or here at the gift shop.